Hi guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a PR unboxing of the new Covergirl TrueBlend Undercover Concealers. Thank you to Covergirl for sending me this PR package. It's absolutely beautiful, and this PR package is also a collab with Ash Holmes on Instagram. What I can tell you is that I love the packaging and its simplicity. It's beautiful. I love the black and white theme. I have no complaints so far. So let's get straight into a demo that I am going to try the products on camera. This is like my first impressions of me just getting the PR kit, and I will go ahead and leave below everything that I'm using in this video in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out as well. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Covergirl TrueBlend Base Business. This is a skin primer that I'm going to go ahead and put on my face to make sure it just controls all of my oils and my T-zones. The next product is the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow, and this is just a clear gel that I'm going to go ahead and place on my eyebrows so that they go nowhere throughout the day, and also just to set my eyebrows as well. What I love about this brow gel is that the brush is very small, so it just gets all of my hair in place. I'm going to go ahead and use the Covergirl Shadow in Rose Quartz with a little bit of water on my brush. This is a flat brush, and I'm going to just pat this color on my eyelids. What I can say about Covergirl's eyeshadows is that I get minimal fallout. That is one of my biggest pet peeves. I just feel like I'm wasting shadow. So I love that Covergirl's eyeshadows do not have fallout. And what I also love about their shadows is that it's very pigmented, as well as the shimmery color is very shimmery, which I absolutely love. I am not into shimmer colors, but this particular color, I actually fell in love with it. It's a nice rose color. Next up is to blend all of the shadows so that it can blend seamlessly when I go ahead and add my crease color. So I'm just using this blending brush by MAC. You also want to always make sure that you blend out your shadows seamlessly, because that's the key to amazing application. I'm going to use the Full Spectrum by Covergirl. This is from their Full Spectrum line that they also sent me from PR, and I'm going to use that as my crease color. So I'm using the same blending brush, which is the MAC blending brush, and I'm going to take that color and apply that to my crease. I will leave down below in the description box all of the products that I'll be using today, so make sure you guys go ahead and also check the description box. Also, you guys, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat so you guys get all the daily scoop of what's going on, and future PR unboxing as well on my Insta stories. So I'm going to go ahead and take that rose quartz color and then pack that color on just to brighten it up just a little bit. I'm going to use the color Fawn from LA Pro Girls. Is it LA Pro Girls? LA Pro Cosmetics. And I'm going to use that all over my face. I use this as my concealer because I find that it's the closest shade to my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my face and take my large beauty blender that I got from Target. It's so big. I love it because it just covers a lot of surface. So I use this big blending brush just to go ahead and blend out all of my concealer because it just gets the job done. My beauty blender is damp with a little bit of water, and I just find that blending out my makeup with a beauty blender and water applied to the beauty blender is just absolutely amazing. It just makes my concealer go on so flawlessly and looks like skin. So I use a damp beauty blender just to blend out my concealer. So the next product is the Covergirl TrueBlend Undercover Concealer in Soft Honey. When I tell you Covergirl did the damn thing, they did the damn thing. Like, I was highly impressed. It reminded me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It was nice and thick, and I felt like in this video I used a lot. Like, I didn't have to, but I didn't know the magic that I was applying to my face. But next time moving forward, a little goes a long way. When I tell you Covergirl did the damn thing, I am impressed with these concealers. The under eye concealers, I am stocking up on them because it's a lot more cheaper and a lot more affordable than the Tarte Shape Tape. The Tarte Shape Tape is like around $35, and the concealers from Covergirl, don't quote me, but maybe like 20 bucks. Yo, you guys have me as a customer for life for these under eye concealers because it was just absolutely amazing, and I was highly impressed. This concealer is my go-to concealer now. I'm going to go ahead and use the Covergirl TrueBlend Minerals, and this color is in Banana. Actually, this product came right on time because I actually ran out of my Laura Mercier, but when I tell you, like, this is the exact replica of Laura Mercier, but half the price. Like, CoverGirl went, like, y'all showed out on these products. Like, I am so impressed with these products. Like, this setting powder lasted all day, and I am impressed. It's finely milled just like Laura Mercier, but half the price. So I'm going to use the full spectrum by CoverGirl again that I used on my crease, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. When I tell you this setting powder is life, I'm impressed. Like, I don't know what to say. Drop the mic. Drop the mic. Next, I'm going to take some Skindinavia and apply that all over my face just to go ahead and just dampen my face a little bit. And I'm going to take the NARS blush in Taj Mahal, which is like an orangey gold like blush. I love orange blushes, and I've been going like ham on them, like wearing them all summer long, because it just brings a nice fluster to the face, and it's not overbearing. I'm going to go ahead and use the CoverGirl Gilded Glory, and I'm going to take my Morphe, sorry it's upside down, M150, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this highlighter. This highlighter was absolutely beautiful, and what I loved about this highlighter is that it was absolutely so soft on my skin. It just melted into my skin. CoverGirl, like, you guys went all out with these products, and I am absolutely just like, I'm proud. I'm going to go ahead and take the Rose Quartz shimmery color, and I'm going to go ahead and drag that underneath my lash line just to bring a little bit of color underneath my eyes. So I'm going to take that and drag that underneath my lash line, and I'm going to do that on the opposite side as well. So now to the lips. I'm going to go ahead and take Rimmel Exaggerate Lip Liner. I think the color is Rapture. Do not quote me. Everything will be down below in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Then I'm going to go ahead and take Colourpop Stingraye by My Ray Ray, the collection, and put that at the center of my lips. And just pucker up just a little bit, you girls. So this is the final look. I am impressed with CoverGirl. CoverGirl, you guys did the damn thing. Make sure you guys click the bell. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video.